Turn up the heat, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, turn up the heat. Idioms are expressions whose meanings are not predictable from the usual meanings of their constituent elements. They are often used to paint a more vivid picture in everyday language. So, let's turn up the heat on our English learning journey. The phrase, turn up the heat, is an idiom in English. It usually doesn't refer to adjusting a physical thermostat. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of saying increasing pressure or intensity in a situation. For example, if a boss wants more results from their team, they might turn up the heat by setting stricter deadlines or higher targets. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember it better. The phrase likely comes from the literal action of turning up a heat source, like a stove, to make it hotter. This action increases the intensity or speed of cooking, similar to how the idiom is used to describe increasing intensity or urgency in other contexts. Let's see how turn up the heat is used in everyday language. 1. In the workplace, our competitors are catching up. We need to turn up the heat and innovate faster. 2. In sports commentary, in the second half, the team really turned up the heat and dominated the game. 3. In personal challenges, I'm turning up the heat on my workout routine to prepare for the marathon. Using idioms like turn up the heat can make your English sound more natural. Here are some tips. Use it in appropriate contexts. This idiom works well in situations involving competition, challenges, or increasing effort. Pair it with relevant actions. Describe specific actions that represent turning up the heat, like setting tougher goals. Practice in conversations. Try using the idiom in your daily English conversations to become more comfortable with it. We hope this video has turned up the heat on your English learning journey. Remember, idioms like turn up the heat add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your conversations with these expressions. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.